hate is a misconstrued emotion. You know, because when people say that they love something, they always look like they're in pain. And I think that when people say they actually hate something, they're quite focused, they're quite direct. And I think that to really hate something, you have to truly understand it. It goes back to the carnival days of an old tattooist. They always had these kind of show-stopping monikers, like Chris Chrome or Cliff Cadaver. I became a tattoo artist in Los Angeles in 1995. I had some friends who did tattoo, and one in particular was going to another shop. He told me if I was serious to hang around, and I did. I hung out like a bad smell and kind of showed that I was quite dedicated, that if anything I'd probably get a free tattoo. I've always felt that there was something out there with my name on it, and I knew in my gut it wasn't Los Angeles. And I got a postcard from a friend saying, this fucking place, London, is so cool, you have to come here. And I sat across the street at a cafe and watched people walk by for about 2 hours and thought, yeah. I said a prick in 2002. Our job is to try to make them feel as comfortable as possible. You can't be a dick and say you need to stop moving, you have to do this, and be aggressive. You really have to work to put them at ease. So I try to use other tactics of, you know, offering them a lollipop or sugar, or something that will kind of sweeten the experience for them. If you work it that way, you can have a client for life. It's the one job that virtually takes over your life. It demands of your skin. Now there are tattooists who don't have any tattoos, and I believe that, you know, in this type of industry, you need to lead by example. A lot of my tattoos have to do with my upbringing or my vices in my life. I have penises on my forearms, so as an openly gay male in a very macho-led business, I think that was a big fuck you to, you know, the boys club. I'm going to be 46, and I still like the fact that I still have room and the capacity to get tattooed. A tattoo doesn't necessarily make you cooler. It's like a timestamp. It's a tree ring of your life. It's a time capsule of what was actually going on in your life.